The first bit you fit was the bulkhead, and it didn't fit. Didn't fit at all. The inner pan you put in, and that didn't fit very well either. And the windscreen surround, the tubular steel that went round here, was cacked over. Barely had a bit of metal on the end to weld. It was welded to, so I had to cut that and straighten that first. Got the bulkhead fitted, got the inside put in. So it didn't fit very well. The outer panels here, guess what? They didn't fit very well either. Lack of trimming, really. The real problem, I think, with everything was premature ejection. Now I know it sounds something like it should be in a carry-on film. Oh, Matron, premature ejection. No, I think they took them out of the moulds too quick.